our next formula here is solving T equals D plus PM for M. So this would be a formula where we have total price of an item equals, or the total price, your purchase price is going to be the down payment, so whatever you put down on a payment, plus the amount of payments you pay per month times the number of months that we're going to be doing a layaway or whatever option that you're doing here. Obviously, there's no interest involved, so maybe a good layaway, you put some kind of a down payment, you have a payment amount that you can prescribe to, maybe $10 a month, $20 a month, and then you do that for some number of months. Well, most of the time when we go shopping, well, the T is going to be the price of the object we're looking for. The D is how much money you have in your pocket today, and you can budget how much this goes, how much money a month you can put towards it. And then M then is going to be, well, how many months is it going to take me to get the object? If you're trying to plan for Christmas, am I going to have it in time for Christmas, or how many months do I have to plan for it? So here's our formula, and we want to be able to solve it for M under any conditions regardless of the values. So our goal at the end of the day is we want to identify that we want to have M equal something. And I might suggest at this time, means that we're solving for M and all of my M variables are on the right. I'm going to use this property of addition, that if A equals B, then B equals A, so I can just switch everything around. So I'm just going to say D plus PM equals T. I like to do that because now my variable's on my left, everything's working out just fine. All I've done is just swap sides. What was over here moved over here. Now our goal again is to isolate this M variable. So I need to leave that alone. And remember, the first property we're going to use is we want to see, is, can this be simplified? No. Can this be simplified? No. Okay, I use addition to isolate my variable. My variable is here on its own, but the D is in my way, so I'm going to subtract D from this side, which means I have to subtract D from that side. So I'm left with PM equals T minus D. Now I have it in a situation where I have something times M equals T minus D, and we undo times with division. So now it is time to divide the P out. I divide the P out, and I will get M equals T minus D over P.